Hey everybody, I'm Greg Luchek, and this is 10139 Owl Perch Loop. Located in the highly sought-after retreat at Timberridge, one of Black Forest's newest and most desirable communities. Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, this home sits on a large 15,625 square foot lot, offering space, privacy, and that true Colorado feel. Built by Vantage Homes, this is the Oakridge floor plan, a thoughtfully designed ranch-style home with over 4,380 square feet of living space. You get the peace and community activities in Black Forest just minutes away, with quick and easy access to the Power shopping corridor, some of the best restaurants, shopping, and entertainment in Colorado Springs. This location also features convenient access north towards Denver International Airport. This is one of those locations that truly gives you the best of both worlds. This home offers so much curb appeal, but I can't wait to take you inside. Let's check it out. Step inside and you're greeted by a bright, open floor plan that feels both refined and very welcoming. Soaring ceilings, 8-foot tall doors, and huge stretched windows flood the home with natural light, while the modern farmhouse style creates a timeless, clean aesthetic throughout. The great room is anchored by a stone-clad gas fireplace, a true focal point that adds warmth and character. This space flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area, making it perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The upgraded gourmet kitchen is a standout. Designed for both function and style, it features gorgeous granite countertops with an extended island. This truly is a beautiful piece of stone, and a striking herringbone pattern backsplash. You'll notice beautiful additional details here, including the additional spacious pantry, the staggered kitchen cabinets with crown molding, soft closed drawers and cabinets, an extra large single basin graphite sink, and a top of the line Frigidaire 4-drawer refrigerator, as well as a gas range. This beautiful formal dining space makes a great first impression when you enter the home. Also notice those inlaid wood floor vents that match the hardwood floors, the wrought iron stair railing, and again, those soaring ceilings. The main level primary suite is a true retreat, spacious, private, and filled with natural light. It offers a calm escape at the end of any day. The ensuite bath feels straight out of a luxury spa, featuring his and her sinks, a massive zero clearance shower with floor-to-ceiling subway tile, and premium finishes throughout. One of the most convenient touches, the direct connection from the primary closet to the laundry room, making everyday routines effortless. The laundry room is well appointed with upper cabinetry, a sink, and counter space, and has convenient access to the mudroom as well. One of the impressive features of this floor plan is the huge second bedroom on the main level, complete with a walk-in closet. This space works beautifully as a guest suite, home office, or multi-generational living option. Let's follow the beautiful wrought iron stair railings downstairs to the basement, which was finished beautifully by Vantage Homes. Notice the dramatic 10-foot ceilings, recessed lighting, and open layout that feels incredibly spacious. The oversized wet bar is a real eye-catcher, complete with modern farmhouse shelving and staggered quartz countertop bar that comfortably seats 4. This space is incredibly versatile. There's room for a pool table, theater setup, game room, or all three. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying downtime, this level is designed to impress. The lower level also includes 2 spacious bedrooms, both with great closet space, along with a beautifully finished 3/4 bath. There's also a huge storage area with a rough in for an additional junior suite, offering flexibility for future growth. Thank you so much for coming on this tour. If you'd like more information on this beautiful home, you can visit my website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour, give me a call at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much. See you on the next one.